Hi guys, welcome back to Makeup with Sandy. Today I have a bit of an unboxing for you guys today. My boyfriend bought me some makeup from Revolution Beauty London. So I'm going to be unboxing that with you guys today and trying it on. It's a palette. The name is Forever Flawless. And it's made with cannabis sativa apparently. That's what the palette looks like inside. This is what the palette looks like. It's very bohemian, really up my alley. Super pretty outside of the packaging. How nice that is. And it comes with 18 shades, if you can see the name on the back there. This is what the actual palette looks like. Oh. Super pretty colors. A lot of mauve-y colors, and these glitters look really nice. So it says it's Namaste with cannabis sativa. So that must be a thing within their palettes, I'm assuming. I've never tried their palettes before. I have one of their concealers and it's pretty nice, but I haven't tried the palettes yet. And then we also have a set of brushes. This is what the brushes look like. That's what the brushes look like. It comes with one sponge brush, 2 face brushes, and 3 eyeshadow brushes. And it's called the Reloaded Rose Gold Brush Set, and it's vegan and cruelty free. I believe their entire brand is cruelty free. If not, most items are. And then for my lips, I bought today a new e.l.f. Lip gloss. Let me see what the name is. It's a plumping lip gloss. And its name is Mocha Twist. This is the color. This is also cruelty free and vegan. Go in with this shade up here. The name is Retreat. So I'm going to go in with that. And I'm going to do my eyes. I'm only doing my eyes and lip on camera. I already did my face. Just because I wanted to focus mostly on this palette because it's a really pretty palette. Look how gorgeous those colors are. I've already swatched some of the colors when I first got it because I couldn't wait to try it. But I did wait to try it on my eyes to do it on camera with you guys. There is a bit of like a seal on top, so you just break through the top layer and then you'll get into the pigment. So I'm going to go in on my crease with the shade Retreat. Ooh, that's a really pretty color. So I'm going to do first my right eye and see where I'm going to take this look, and then I'll go step by step on my left eye on what I did, because I'm not quite sure what the look will be. Go in with the flat shader brush from the Makeup Revolution package, and I'm going to go in with Harmony. It's a really nice flat shading brush. It picks up a lot of color and it seems to be depositing it evenly. That's nice. sheen. So I'm going to spray the brush with some setting spray because I want to get some glitters. First, I'm going to go in with the shade Light that's on the bottom here. I'll pick up some of that and pat that into the eye. Ooh, that's pretty. It's a nice sheen. Go into Namaste, which is this glitter right here. So I got it onto my flat brush. I'm going to spray it so I can adhere better to my eye. I'm going to only apply this to the lid. You will have some fallout, but we'll use the face brushes to dust that off. You could also use glitter glue for this, but since I'm just doing this look for the video, I don't need it to be long lasting right now. Then I'm going to go back in with the blending brush into, I'm going to dip into the shade Harmony, this color here. Go in with the pointer brush from the Revolution palette and go back into the shade Light. We're going to saturate the brush with that. We're going to go into the inner corner and stamp that on. We're going to drag that to meet with the glitters. And we're going to drag it underneath the eyebrow. So then with my Morphe blending brush, we're going to blend out the edges again. And then I'm going to clean off on a towel, and then with the same pointer, or actually we're going to use, there's another eye brush in the palette, which I believe can also be used for lips, but we're going to use it underneath the eye. So with this, I believe this is a lip brush, it doesn't say, but I want it's small enough to go underneath my lower lash line. So I'm going to go in again with the shade Retreat. Oh, sorry, Retreat right there. Blend it with the blending brush from Morphe. I'm going to go into the shade Harmony. I'm going to go a little lower. There is some fallout again, so we're going to brush that off using the face brush from the pack. This is the Eyelook that I was able to create right now. It's very pretty. It's a very night out look, like a Saturday night out. Very nice colors. We used some mauve tones along with this glitter that's like a copper, and then the inner corner. So that's pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to go on to the next eye. I like this. I like doing my eyeshadow upwards like that because it like lifts, gives your face a lift. Okay. So now I'm gonna go in with mascara. My favorite mascara, the L'Oreal Voluminous Hydro Fudge. My all-time favorite mascara. I love waterproof mascaras because I feel like it holds the curl better. This is a lip plumping lipstick, or was it lip gloss? It does feel a little tingly, but nothing too crazy. My lips don't feel like they're like huge or anything. So this is the entire look. I did put on mascara. I don't know if you were able to see that. I don't know if my camera shut down then, but I did put on the L'Oreal Voluminous Water Fudge mascara. So overall, I love the palette. So far, the colors I use on my eyes, you can see here what it looks like. I love the palette. Really pretty. Super up my alley. I love colors like this. I love simple looks like this that look like you put in a little bit of work, but they look cute. I love looks like that. So this is the palette. And here are the brushes as well. Oh. Here are the brushes. Thanks for watching, you guys. This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Hit the bell notification at the top so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Bye!